Hello viewers, this is Bhaskar welcoming you back to Bhaskar's Insurance for You and Me. In the last three episodes, we have discussed in detail about the Bharat Griha Raksha policy for ensuring the home building and contents against fire and other insured events. The recap slide on the insured events covered under Bharat Griha Raksha, that is BGR, is shown on the screen. What happens if the contents in the home are damaged or lost, not by fire or other perils listed here, but by events like burglary or breakdown of the equipment, etc.? Even these events like burglary and breakdown are bound to result in financial losses to the owner of those contents in the house. How to protect such losses? Most of the insurers provide cover for such contingencies also. There are two ways through which these additional covers can be taken. One is to take separate individual policies like burglary policy for covering burglary losses, machinery breakdown policy for covering breakdown of domestic appliances, electronic equipment policy for covering computers, etc. The second method is to opt for a package policy where the fire insurance cover as per Bharat Griha Raksha is offered along with other covers like burglary, breakdown, personal accident, etc. under different sections within the same policy. The insurance policies where a single policy has the provision to cover more than one type of insurance are called as package policies. We will now discuss such a package policy for household contents. Unlike the Bharat Griha Raksha policy, which is IRDA mandated standardized product, the package policy for household contents by different insurers can have different sections, different coverages, different wordings, and are available under different names like householders package insurance, home package insurance, home protect insurance, home shield insurance, home insurance all risk policy, etc. etc. We will consider all these products under a generic name, a package policy for home insurance for our discussion and understanding. Now, the first question is, why do we need package policies? The purpose of the package policies is to offer the option of multiple covers to the insured under a single policy, making it administratively convenient with flexibility to choose the desired covers. The package policy provides two major benefits to the householder. The first one is to provide additional perils cover for house contents in addition to what is covered under fire insurance section, that is Bharat Griha Raksha cover. For example, it allows you to take burglary cover for contents. The second benefit is to provide cover for additional subject matters which are relevant for a householder in addition to the building and contents. For example, the personal accident cover, or employee compensation cover, third party liabilities, etc. As a customer, you have the option to either go for the basic cover of fire and other perils only under Bharat Griha Raksha policy, which we discussed in the earlier three sessions, or for a package policy depending on the premium affordability and the capacity to retain the risks like breakdown without transferring to insurers. The point to be noted is the premium rates for covers like breakdown or all risk, etc., is generally higher than the premium rates charged for fire and other natural catastrophic perils. As we have seen, there are many different products with different insurers providing different combination of covers. It would be difficult to study each of these products in detail. The brief details of the important covers available with different insurers only are discussed here, which I have shown in the table on the screen. All these package policies, they provide one section with coverage similar to Bharat Griha Raksha for home building and home contents against fire and other perils. The other covers are a burglary cover for contents, all risk cover for valuables, breakdown cover for domestic appliances, all risk cover for electronic equipment, the breakage cover for fixed plate loss, personal accident cover for family members and employees, employees compensation cover for employees, etc. Besides the above, there are many other covers like purchase protection, online transaction protection, pedal cycle cover, baggage insurance, key and lock replacement cover, etc. also available under these package policies with some of the insurers. The process of insurance administration for this package policy remains same as what we have seen for other products, like the proposal form details to be filled up, providing the description of items to be covered, payment of premium, checking the details in the policy issued for correctness, immediate intimation of loss if there is a loss, avoidance of loss aggravation, cooperation with surveyors for loss assessment, etc. A few general points that might help you in policy purchase process are highlighted here. Once you decide to buy the package policy, please check all the covers available with your insurer and choose the sections which you would like to cover. The option to cover will have to be evaluated from the point of need of the cover for you and also the affordability in terms of the premium rates. When a package policy is purchased, there is no need for taking a separate Bharat Griha Raksha policy. The cover provided under BGR is available as one of the sections in all the home package policies. The process of sum insured finalization for home building and home contents for fire and other natural catastrophic perils was already discussed under Bharat Griha Raksha policy. Insofar as contents are covered, make a list of contents in the house, classify them into valuables including jewelry as one category, electronic items as second category, other domestic appliances susceptible for breakdown as a third category, so that they can be included in their respective covers in the appropriate sections of the package policy. The list should contain item description, make, model, and the replacement value of each of the equipment. Ensure that all these items continue to be part of home contents cover under fire and other peril cover also. Because generally the fire and other natural peril coverage is not available in other sections like breakdown. Covers like breakdown are available only for equipment below a certain age. Hence, do not include any equipment beyond the eligible age. The eligible age is normally around 10 years, but the specific limit will have to be uh, checked with your insurer. The sum insured should be on replacement value for a new equipment. In case the value declared as sum insured is less than the actual replacement value, the claim will be subject to underinsurance clause. Of course, as you would recall, this underinsurance clause does not apply to home building and contents cover as per Bharat Griha Raksha under the first section of the policy. The claim payable is for repairs in case of repairable losses. In case of replacement of the item, the replacement cost less the depreciation is what is payable under the claim. There could be some deviation of this condition from insurer to insurer, which you need to check up. On personal insurance sections, identify the persons who need to be protected under personal accident and workman compensation covers and include their details for the respective sections. If any claims are reported, do not go ahead with repair of the items without specific confirmation from insurer or surveyor. This point is very important as the package policy has provision to cover the domestic appliances where the immediate repair of the domestic appliance could be a necessity, but you need to wait for a confirmation from the surveyor before you can proceed with the repairs. The sections like breakdown and electronic equipment are subject to an excess, that is, a certain amount as stated in the policy is deducted from the claim amount payable. It's very important to remember this. There are these are some of the aspects of package policy for home insurance. Hope this helps in aiding your understanding of the product and easing the purchase process. In case you need any clarifications, please do not hesitate to write to me. In the meantime, view, subscribe, like, and share the video. See you in the next episode with another interesting and useful insurance product. Until then, bye from Bhaskar.